Hello everybody, and welcome back to Faffing About the Universe, also known as Space Engine. Yes. Now then, I haven't done this in a while because, well, I'm lazy, but I really do enjoy this and I've been meaning to get back into it, so here we go. I seem to start a lot of my videos with apologies. I gotta stop doing that. Where we left off, we were around, what is this, temperate planet? Oh, yeah, that's right, we were in the galactic plane. Binary star system. That's pretty damn close. Orthoquadruple. Okay. No, those are two separate stars. Wow, okay. Hmm. There's the parent star. What are we looking at here? Eh, eh, eh. It is a random star. Hmm. Anyways, since I do actually pay attention to my comments and read pretty much all of them, I decided to do something a little different for this episode. A lot of people had requested places for me to go, so it's like, yeah, okay, I'll try those out. Someone requested I go to the planet Vulcan from Star Trek. Now, although I'm pretty sure Vulcan is not in this game, see, where's this? Go away. No, go away. I'm trying to think of. Oh, okay, I guess I'm going there. How do I open up the go-to menu? Well, anyways, although Vulcan is probably not in this game, the star in which Vulcan orbits around is in fact in this game. In the Star Trek universe, the planet of Vulcan orbits around the star 40 Eridani A, so I might as well go there. Where's my menu? Oh, nope. Ah, here we go. Enter object name. 40 Eridani, or is it Eridani? Eridani A? A? Okay. Not found. 40 Eridani A. Maybe it's 40... What is this? Okay. I guess we're going to... What is this? 40 Eridani Gliesa 1668. Starcade. Whoa. I think this is 40... Yeah, this is 40 Eridani. Well, actually, before I do that, let me quickly check something. Yes, I was right. This is, in fact, 40 Eridani, also known as Omicron Eridani, or Cade. So, this is the star in which Vulcan orbits around, to see if there's any planets around it. Now, it has been known to have some exoplanets, so... Alright, it's a temperate desert. That's pretty close to what Vulcan would be. Vulcan's a pretty hot planet. So it's gonna be none of these. My god. Oh, no. How many planets are here? Quite a bit. Alright, so I'm gonna go with the most Vulcan-like planet that is here. Go away. Nobody likes you. Anyways, which is this temperate desert. Being a Star Trek fan, I pay a lot of attention. Actually, my god, I love watching Star Trek and making fun of their science because a lot of it's wrong. But in the Star Trek universe, they did place Vulcan into 40 Eridani. Originally, they were thinking either 40 Eridani or Epsilon Iridian, but Gene Roddenberry kind of settled on 40 Eridani. And then in Star Trek Enterprise, Commander Tucker mentions that it's 16 light years from Earth, KED is 16 light years from Earth, and it's officially placed here. So this is the closest thing to Vulcan I can find in the game. It is a hot, temperate... It's a desert planet within the habitable zone of 40 Eridani. So, yeah, there you go. Whoever it was who requested that, there you go. I might as well land. Is it Control G or Shift G? It's Control G. Excellent. Because I like my fans, and I'll do stuff to make them happy. Although I make videos for the hell of it, I do like to keep a certain level of feedback to you guys. Because I don't want to be one of those YouTubers that just, you know, doesn't give a crap about the community. This is pretty. How big is this planet? Mass. 0.4544. It's a tad smaller. Not by much, though. Its pressure's lighter. By quite a bit, actually. That would actually fit with Vulcan. The planet Vulcan, the atmosphere is thinner than Earth, so it kind of makes sense. Temperature's a little colder than it should be. It should be a little warmer than that. But, yeah, well, there you go. Oh, wow. This is actually a nice little planet. Like that time Kirk got his ass kicked by Spock on Vulcan. And McCoy made mention that the atmosphere was thin, so... And that one time Archer and T'Pol were wandering through the deserts of Vulcan, and it was just really crappy. The environment, not the planet. They go to Vulcan quite a bit in Enterprise, which is funny, because they never really went there a lot in... I think the original series and Enterprise were the ones where they really go to Vulcan. Because they did it a couple times in Next Generation, but that's pretty much it. Anyways, so there we go. We are here. Somebody also mentioned they wanted me to go to Proxima Centauri, and then somebody else mentioned they want me to go to Pandora from Avatar. And lucky me, both those were in the same location, so I guess I get to go there. Because Proxima Centauri is the closest third companion in the Alpha Centauri system, which is the closest star to Earth. Proxima being a small red dwarf, Alpha and Beta, Alpha Centauri A and Alpha Centauri B being small, wee little, whatchamacallits, main sequence, similar like G-class stars. Alright, so we're going to go to Proxima. Proxima Cen. No, I don't want to go to Neptune, although I do like Neptune. It's pretty decent. It hasn't been visited very much. Boop. Yeah, see, now we're in like the local area of stars, so everything we go to is going to be like really close by. Alright, so Proxima Centauri. It is a small little an M5V star. You know that, fun fact, most of the stars in the galaxy are red dwarfs. I think it's like around 80% of the stars in the Milky Way are red dwarfs. And the Milky Way is a barred spiral. Fun fact. 9 planets, really. These are all fictional. There has been a lot of evidence for planets in the Alpha Centauri system, which is amazing because it's only 4 light years from Earth, like 4.5 light years from Earth. So if there are planets, that's pretty damn fantastic. Ooh, a lot of gas giants, a lot of rings. Wow, much planets, many rings. Wow. What do we got going on here? A cold ice giant, cold desert, cold gas giant, frozen titan, frozen gas giant, frozen ice world, frozen titan, frozen titan, frozen titan. Well, there's not going to be a lot here. However, I do like that. Well, actually, I like planets with rings. I like them a lot. I hope Kerbal Space Program, like the next planet they add in, which would be the Saturn, I hope it has rings. That'd be nice. It's very Jovian, you know? Just saying, because it has, the rings. Oh, look at that. Its mass is 0.4653 Jupiter masses. Is that Jupiter up there? The symbol there. Yeah, that's Jupiter, that's right, because Saturn and Uranus and Neptune all look different. Haha! See, I know how the astronomical signals for all the planets are pretty cool. Like the circle with the like the X in the middle, that's the symbol for Earth. And then there's that, and Saturn is like a scythe. And then Uranus is a scythe with something in the middle, and then Neptune is a trident. Anyways, I need to go to Pandora, which means I have to go to a planet around Alpha Centauri A, and try to find a gas giant that fits Polyphemus. There we go. That matches its kind of locale. So Alpha. Actually, no, I'll do Centauri A. Actually, you know what? Alpha Centauri A is called Rigel Kentaurus. Rigel Kentaurus A. Rigel Kent. I love astronomy. I love it so much. Alright, gravity. I am not seeing any planets. Oh. They're going for realism around now. Really, so they make up shit for Proxima Centauri, but they don't go for the larger ones. Because there's actually in recent evidence, they found evidence, or in recent areas, recent times, they found evidence for gravitational perturbed, like gravitational eddies and stuff in the system, which could very easily be planets that are tugging on the stars. Because when they find planets from other stars, they don't actually just like view them. They just where are we going? Why is this happening? Oh, okay. Oh, it's doing that whole broken thing again. I see how it is. Anyways, as I was saying, they recently like when they find exoplanets, they don't actually like find them. They usually just like locate like they find evidence for them, depending on the star. The different ways are like if the plane of the system is edge on to us, then they will determine the star's existence by whenever the planet transits in front of the star, it will make the light like the light go down. Oh wow, really? There's no planets here. Anyways, and oh, well, there you two are. Yes, like when the planet transits in front of the star, the light of the star will dip down and then come back up, and they can use that to determine the size of the planet and all that. If the plane of the system is more disk-on towards us, then they use the stars like how it moves, like they watch it, like as the planet orbits, the star will actually wobble, and they can calculate the wobble to determine how well, like how big the planet is and all that. And they can also determine the mass of the planet as well, and by that they can determine a lot of the stuff. They've only directly observed like 2 planets using Hubble, something like that. I don't know. So yeah, whoever requested I go to Pandora, I am deeply sorry to regret that I cannot find planets around Alpha Centauri at this time. Hopefully the next update of the game, they'll start tossing in planets around here because there's more evidence for it. Well then, that took up about 12 minutes of my time, 10 minutes. 10 more minutes to go. So, where should we go? Well, ooh, the Pleiades. Let's go to the Pleiades. The Pleiades. Yeah. The Pleiades is actually fun. It's it's easily seen in the northern hemisphere, but if you look at it with a telescope or whatever, you can see a bunch of like just the blue stars. But if you wobble the telescope a little bit or move your eyes, you can actually like the veils of dust around the stars, because it's actually like it's a cluster of closely knit stars. But there's also a lot of it's like they're still in a nebula. It's like basically this is like what like a planetary or a stellar nursery looks like after the stars have all basically formed. So you have a bunch of young bright stars that still have veils of dust around them, but they're starting to disperse. So yeah, there you go, the Pleiades. Let's get close in on one. I would like to click on that star, please. HIP 7. Okay, let's go. Oh wow, it's an OA. The O spectral classes are some of the brightest, so the hottest and the brightest. They're pretty decent. Okay, I used to know the star spectral thing off by heart, but I haven't really remembered that. Ooh, there's actually planets here. Oh my god, it even has a little binary red dwarf around it. Wait, that's like an actual star though. I did not know that. Okay. That's another good thing about finding a lot of these closer planets, or at least closer stars. You can actually find legit planets. Or legit stars. Actually, on that note, we should go to Gliese 581c, or Gliese 581 in general, and try to find the exoplanets there. I don't know if I've been there before in this series. I probably have, but because I can't remember, we're going again. So, there we go. Gliese 581. 581. Go to. Whoa. There we go. Yes, this is another dwarf star. It's 20 light years from Earth, and has well, at last count, they found 2 terrestrial planets within the habitable zone of the star, which is very curious indeed, and it could possibly mean life, but no one's going to jump to conclusions. Although one of the planets they found, I don't think it was C. C, D, E. Oh yeah, oh, there's E. Oh, they don't have G. Because they found 2 more they were confirmed and unconfirmed. They still think they're kind of there, but one of them is G, which was between B and C here, and it was thought to be like a water world because its temperature or its mass was lower than it should have been, and they found that it probably has a lot of water on its surface. So that's amazing if that's true, because I mean, it was a large planet with liquid water covering its entire surface, just 20 light years from here. And if you think about it, liquid water on Earth always means life. So liquid water on here could... Oh yeah, I've been here before in this series. This looks familiar. This is actually interesting how they've done this, because the planet itself, in real life, is tidally locked. So one side is always facing the sun, and the other side is never facing the star. So it's funny how they have the patterns here, which works because you'd have severe like weather patterns, systems. Actually, I see if I can speed up time. That's my velocity. That's magnitude. That's labels. You know, I do this every time. There we go. Alright, that's actually kind of cool. But yeah, let's see if we can get a point of reference on the planet. How about that little dark thing there? I see as the planet rotates around the star, as you can see here, oh whatever, you can tell by the light movement it's moving, but this that little dark patch there, as you can see that part always stays relatively in the same location as it moves, because the planet rotates just as fast as the orbital period. Kind of like our moon, you know. I want to see one side just because. Alright, we're going to stop that now. Oh, wow, that took more time than I was expecting to. Let's go to a random place. What's that? What's that? No? Where did I click? Oh, I don't have the labels on. There we go. It's a red giant binary. Hells yeah. Oh yeah, before I finish this, I have to talk about something. Looking at my channel, I'm gonna assume I'm gonna hit 1,000 subscribers sometime this week. I'm gonna say probably Wednesday at you know, earliest. Which means that my 1,000 subscriber special will probably be this weekend. So I have a video about that. You can guys, I have been giving some suggestions. Currently, it's looking like a Minecraft server would be the best, because I already have one of those set up. So it'd be just a matter of giving you guys the IP a day in advance and then telling you the time. But some people have also requested maybe I do a live stream of something like KSB or Space Engine or Species. So let me know if you guys think about that. 'Cause I do have a Twitch account. It's the same here. It's Veneer 13 Studios. If you have Twitch, you can go follow me. So if I do live streams, you can follow me and watch my live streams. I'll always give live streams like a day or so in advance of when I'm going to do them, so you guys actually have time to watch them and not like get surprised. But yeah, so I'm thinking I might do that, or I might just do both at the same time, where I have I basically have a server on Minecraft open and I live stream interacting with you guys on that, or maybe I'll do both. Maybe I'll have a YouTube channel, I'll make a video of that, and then I'll do a live stream of like Kerbal Space Program where I'm trying to fly planes or something, because I'm bad at making planes. Let me guys know what you think. I do want to start doing live streams more often because I want to use Twitch and it's fun to hear you guys' feedback as I'm doing stuff. So if you have a Twitch account, it'd be great because then you can actually type in the comments. Yeah, I just want to talk about that. What is this? This looks like a fun planet. Let's go there. Cool gas giant. So yeah, leave comments, let me know. I read all the comments. So yeah, if you want me to do a live stream, or you want me to do the server thing and have you guys come and play for a while, that'd be great. Yeah. Oh, that's nice. Oh, wow. It's still oh, okay, I have time scale up, so it's still rotating. I'll take a bullseye. Anyways, 20 minutes. So I guess that's pretty much all I have to do for this episode. We'll leave it here. Next episode, we'll go explore yonder space, somewhere out there. So yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Leave comments about the 1,000 subscriber special, what you want to see, and I'll see you never probably, but you'll. I won't see you, but you'll hear me. So I will talk and post a video at some other time. So yeah, space.